All right, so my Tomei shift knob came in. I gotta put this little piece on top. It's just sitting up there. It's not actually stuck on. I'm gonna put that on and then put it in the car really quick. All right, so got the little piece on top, which looks good. So now I'm gonna unscrew this stock one really quick. Threads are super long on this. All right, so it's off. Gonna set the new one on. Almost there. All right, right there. And it's pretty good. Slightly off, but not much. Let's check it out. Feels pretty good. You know, and it's slightly taller. Not by much, but a little bit. So, feels good.